It's God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with his sound. I go repeat it for you. Baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am starting off, excuse the hair underneath. Okay, I'm here with this lovely bubbly pink hair, you guys. Like seriously, I felt like a black Barbie. Like, oh my god, I was so feeling this hair. So this hair is from Alipearl. I'll leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So yeah, if you really don't like this hair kind of color, please don't even bother leaving your negative comments, because I'm just gonna delete and move on. Like seriously, a girl just wanna have fun. Okay, sometimes you just have to. Okay, so I'm starting off by applying my Gateway glue. Like you girls know the drill already, and I was filming during the day. So if you're from London, UK, you know the situation. The sun keeps disappearing. It comes, it goes, it comes, it goes. So you will see different variations of light. Like seriously, I was a bit frustrated. I was just like, why didn't I just use artificial light? But I wanted to use you know, daylight to see how it goes. But you know, it happens. So excuse that, guys. I'm sure you'll be able to tell that the lighting in this video is totally different. Like seriously. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this frontal down, hunty. I hope you guys have also subscribed if you're watching this video, and seriously, what you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join the family. Okay. Like how flawless is this hair? Like this is the hair in its natural curl. I haven't washed the hair or done anything to the hair, but it looks absolutely flawless, and I just love that it's so silky. Like obviously for them to be able to get this hair color, it means it went through a lot, but the hair was just giving me life, hunty. The hair, the texture, the quality is just amazing, and I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys, and finish off the rest of my hair. I did not use water in this tutorial. I just used my wrapping mousse to give me that kind of wet look that I was looking for, and I absolutely love how it turned out, you guys. Like seriously, I feel like I want to go to the beach. Like seriously, where the holiday at? Okay. So this is what the wet look looks like on my deeper skin tone. Absolutely love it, guys. Like it is just for fun. Like seriously, carnival kind of summertime hair. I just like the way it looks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys that this hair is very easily curled. Like it curls so easily, like effortlessly, and it does hold the curls so well. So yeah, this is amazing, good quality hair. So you don't really have to have this pink hair, you guys, from Alipearl hair. They do have all sorts of hair. I just wanted this color from them because I just wanted to have fun. Okay.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my.
So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.